Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I made this drunken pasta, so walk with me, okay? So here I have sliced garlic. You want to slice them really thin like I did here, okay? And next is my ground pepper and my chopped onion, all right? And here I have some Parmesan cheese, okay, and some fresh parsley, of course some red wine and some spaghetti as well, okay? So in a pan, you want to start by heating up your vegetable oil, okay? When it gets hot, next thing you want to do is to add your chopped onions, all right? After adding your chopped onions, you just want to saute this for 30 seconds, all right, until it becomes fragrant before you add in your sliced garlic. Then you want to stir fry this for another 30 seconds, and you need to do this on medium heat so you don't burn your garlic or onion. And next thing I did was to add my pepper, all right, and I stir fried that for another 30 seconds. Again, you should be working with really low heat so that you don't burn any of these ingredients. And I followed that up with some bouillon seasoning. In Nigeria, or for me, I don't cook certain foods without, I mean, almost everything I cook with bouillon seasoning. And next I added my red wine, guys, red wine. All right, so you want to bring this to a boil. All right, when it starts to boil, at this point you want to add your half cooked pasta, guys. Cook your pasta halfway done and then let it sieve, okay? So when you add your half cooked pasta, you just want to stir this really well so that the pasta soaks in all of that red wine. And I topped this off with some leftover pasta water, just enough to cook my spaghetti, okay? So I covered that and then I cooked it until it was done, and guys, they look delicious. It was red. So I followed that up with some butter for some extra shine, guys, and some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan cheese. And basically, guys, we are almost done cooking. So you want to mix that well, okay, so that the butter melts and gives it that shine. All right. So when that's done, the next thing I did was to add in my chopped parsley. You can see the effect of the green and red. Oh my god, the color is so beautiful, guys. Again, I just stirred everything together so that the parsley is well combined with the pasta. And when this is done, you're good to go, guys. If you got to this point in this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And please leave me a comment as well in the comment section below. If you're interested in watching other of my pasta recipes or videos, I'll post a link up here, right now. It should be showing. And don't forget to make this for your family and friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.